Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics tracking code in WordPress. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Google and you're just going to search Google Analytics. And then you're just going to want to click here on the first result. And then you'll come right over here and click sign up. Okay, so for my account name, I'm just going to use my website name, which is Creating the Best Website. And I'm just going to enter it there. And then I'm not going to worry about any of that. I'm going to go down here and click Next. Okay, and then we want to measure a website since we're adding it to our WordPress website. So I'm going to leave this clicked and scroll down and choose Next. And for website name, I'm going to put my website name in again. Creating the Best Website. And then for the URL, you will want to check to see what the beginning of your website starts with. So my website, if you go back over here, it has an SSL certificate. So that means that it's HTTPS. So you'll want to just check on your website to see if it's HTTPS or if it's just HTTP. And then whatever your website has, whether it's HTTP or HTTPS, you're going to choose that. And then you're just going to put your domain name in. You'll just delete that out. So you have your HTTPS or just P, and then your domain name. Okay, and under industry, you can choose your industry here if you would like, or you can just choose other if you're not sure. And then this here is just your country and time zone. And then choose create. Okay, and this is just a terms of service agreement. So we can just scroll down and then accept. Same with here. Accept, and then choose I accept. So now it's creating our Google Analytics account, and just click no thanks on the pop-up and then just X out of that. So then this here is going to be our tracking ID. So this is what we're going to need to add to our website to connect it to Google Analytics. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to leave this page up so that we can have access to this. And then we're going to want to go in a different tab to our website. And I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go to my dashboard. And then we're going to go to plugins and choose add new. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is search Google Analytics. So just type in Google Analytics with no space in between the words up here in the search bar. Hit enter. So this here, you'll just choose install now. Okay, it says it's been installed. So now we can just click activate to go ahead and activate the plugin. Okay. And then if you see now the plugin has been activated and it's right here on the side of your dashboard. So you'll want to just go down here and hover over Google Analytics and go to settings. And then we're going to choose manually enter tracking ID and just click OK on the pop-up. And then we're going to go back to our Google Analytics and we're going to click this tracking ID and copy it. And go back to our website and we're going to just paste it right in that box. And then we're going to hit Save Changes. Okay, settings saved. So now if we come back over here to Google Analytics, we can see that it's been set up. So from now on, whenever we have visitors that come to our website, Google's going to track this and it's going to show up in our Google Analytics account. So the next time that you log in, you'll be able to see the users that come to your website, the bounce rate, how long each person is at your website, and then you'll be able to see other things like what country they come from. Google Analytics is a great thing to have on your website, and it helps you to know where your visitors are coming from and how many visitors you're getting to your website, and it's just a great tool to have. So the next time that you want to log in to your analytics account, let me demonstrate, like if I sign out here. So to access your analytics, each time you can just go to Google, you can just Google Analytics, and then just click on Google Analytics, and then you'll just log in with your Gmail account. Google Analytics usually updates its data once a day, so I like to log into mine every couple days or once a week or so, just to see how my website's doing. And once you are logged back in, your site information will show up here. So I hope that helps you guys with installing Google Analytics onto your WordPress website. And feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.